Welcome back to our culinary journey, food enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring a spectacular dish from the coastal regions of Portugal, Camarão Tigre Grelhado, or grilled tiger prawns. This dish is a true testament to the Portuguese love for fresh seafood and bold flavors. Join me as we dive into the secrets of this delicious delicacy and uncover some fascinating, lesser-known facts about it. Camarão Tigre Grelhado features succulent tiger prawns, marinated in a blend of olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and herbs, then perfectly grilled. The result is a dish that's simple yet bursting with flavor, embodying the essence of Portuguese coastal cuisine. This dish hails from the coastal regions of Portugal, where fresh seafood is a staple. Historically, fishermen would grill their daily catch right on the beach, using basic ingredients that highlighted the natural flavors of the seafood. Tiger prawns are known for their large size and striking stripes, which resemble those of a tiger. These prawns are not only a visual treat but also offer a sweet and delicate flavor that makes them a favorite in Portuguese cuisine. The marinade for Camarão Tigre Grelhado is key to its flavor. A blend of olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro is used to infuse the prawns with a zesty and aromatic taste. Some chefs even add a touch of piri-piri for a spicy kick. Grilling the prawns over a hot flame sears in the flavors and gives them a delicious charred exterior while keeping the inside tender and juicy. The smoky aroma from the grill adds an extra layer of complexity to the dish. Did you know that the Portuguese fishing industry places a strong emphasis on sustainability? Many tiger prawns used in this dish are sourced from sustainable fisheries, ensuring that the marine ecosystem remains balanced and healthy. While the classic version is popular, there are regional variations of Camarão Tigre Grelhado across Portugal. In some areas, prawns are marinated with a hint of white wine or even orange juice, adding a unique twist to the traditional recipe. Camarão Tigre Grelhado is often a highlight at Portuguese festivals and seaside gatherings. It's not just a dish, but a celebration of the sea and the coastal lifestyle. Families and friends come together to enjoy this meal, making it a symbol of unity and joy. Prawns have been an integral part of Portuguese cuisine for centuries. Historical records show that prawns were enjoyed by both common folk and royalty, often featured in lavish feasts and everyday meals alike. Tiger prawns are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. They are a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy addition to any diet. Some chefs prefer to cook the prawns with their shells on to retain moisture and enhance flavor. This method also adds a fun, hands-on element to dining, as diners peel the prawns themselves, savoring every bite. Historical Portuguese cookbooks reveal that the technique of grilling prawns has been refined over the years. Early recipes focused on simple seasonings, while modern versions have embraced a variety of marinades and accompaniments. Camarão Tigre Grelhado pairs beautifully with Portuguese wines. A crisp vinho verde or a full-bodied alvarinho enhances the dish's flavors, making for a perfect culinary experience. This dish has become a favorite among tourists visiting Portugal. Its popularity has soared in recent years, with many seaside restaurants featuring Camarão Tigre Grelhado as a star attraction on their menus. Given Portugal's close proximity to Spain, culinary techniques and ingredients often blend, enriching both cuisines. In some regions, you might find a hint of Spanish paprika in the marinade, making Camarão Tigre Grelhado at home is easier than you might think. Here's a simple recipe you can follow. Start by cleaning and deveining the tiger prawns, but keep the shells on. Prepare a marinade with olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. Let the prawns marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat your grill to high and cook the prawns for 2-3 minutes on each side until they're nicely charred and cooked through. Serve hot with a squeeze of fresh lemon and enjoy. Camarão Tigre Grelhado is more than just a dish, it's a slice of Portuguese culture and tradition. The combination of fresh seafood, simple ingredients, and grilling expertise creates a meal that's both flavorful and unforgettable. Whether you're a seafood lover or a culinary adventurer, this dish is a must-try. Did you know that tiger prawns have a specific season? The best time to enjoy Camarão Tigre Grelhado is during the late spring and summer months when the prawns are at their peak freshness and flavor. Portuguese fishermen have a unique tradition of blessing their boats and gear before the prawn season begins. This ritual is believed to bring good luck and ensure a bountiful catch. The herbs used in the marinade for Camarão Tigre Grelhado, such as parsley and cilantro, are often grown locally. Many Portuguese home cooks and chefs prefer using fresh, homegrown herbs to enhance the dish's flavor. While tiger prawns are the star of this dish, there are various species of prawns found in Portuguese waters, each with unique flavors and textures. Some regions may use local varieties to put their own spin on Camarão Tigre Grelhado. Portuguese cuisine has influenced many global cuisines due to Portugal's history as a maritime nation. Camarão Tigre Grelhado's techniques and flavors can be seen in dishes from former Portuguese colonies around the world. In some coastal towns, Camarão Tigre Grelhado is popular street food. Vendors grill the prawns right in front of you, offering a fresh and aromatic experience that's hard to resist. Tiger prawns can vary significantly in size. Why significantly in size? The larger the prawn, the more prestigious the dish is considered. Some restaurants serve giant tiger prawns that can reach up to 12 inches in length. The grilling process for Camarão Tigre Grelhado traditionally uses special Portuguese grilling utensils, like a grella, a type of grill rack specifically designed for seafood. This helps achieve the perfect char without overcooking. Some of Portugal's most renowned chefs have their own signature recipes for Camarão Tigre Grelhado. They experiment with different marinades and grilling techniques to create unique variations of this classic dish. While Camarão Tigre Grelhado is often enjoyed on its own, it can also be paired with traditional Portuguese sides like arroz de marisco, seafood rice, or a simple salad of tomatoes, onions, and olive oil. Modern chefs are giving Camarão Tigre Grelhado a twist by incorporating fusion elements, such as adding Asian spices or serving the prawns with exotic dipping sauces, bringing a new dimension to the traditional dish. Camarão Tigre Grelhado has made its way into fine dining establishments, where it is often served as a gourmet appetizer or main course, showcasing its versatility and appeal. Local seafood festivals in Portugal often feature Camarão Tigre Grelhado as a main attraction. These festivals celebrate the bounty of the sea and offer visitors a chance to taste freshly grilled prawns prepared by local experts. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary explorations. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Camarão Tigre Grelhado or if there's another Portuguese dish you'd like us to feature.